In this week's CCJ Tech Shorts, we'll take a look at Lytx's new AI-powered coaching assistant, Reelables plans for a recent funding round, and more.
Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started.
Lytx has rolled out an AI-powered coaching assistant designed to help safety coaches deliver faster, more impactful feedback to fleet drivers. Coach Assist represents Lytx's initial implementation of generative AI within its driver safety program. It streamlines the coaching process by instantly surfacing driver strengths, areas for improvement, and peer comparisons through clear bullet points and easy-to-scan visuals. By handling the prep work, the assistant allows coaches to focus on meaningful conversations that drive real behavior change and create a safer fleet environment. Currently available to a select group of Lytx Lab participants, Coach Assist is already helping coaches reduce session prep time by half while increasing driver engagement and retention. Reelables, which produces a printable active smart label for tracking cargo and inventory, has completed a Series A round from which the company will use the funds toward the growth of its engineering and operations teams, the advancement of smart label product development, and the expansion of manufacturing capacity to support accelerated market growth. Reelables grew more than 200% this year and plans to scale production to 100 million labels per year with this funding. Reelables has reached mass production of a new category of thin film wireless active smart labels with flexible coated batteries that can be printed using standard barcode printers and are fully disposable. LTL carrier Mountain Valley Express has implemented a new freight management system by Carrier Logistics, Inc. CLI Fax is now in operation across 13 Mountain Valley Express terminals to support the operation of 300 tractors and 500 trailers. Since going live with Fax, the carrier has been using the freight management system to process approximately 2,500 freight bills daily for their pickup and delivery, line haul, and cross-dock operations, reducing the time it takes for load tendering, planning, and dispatching from 8 hours to as few as 3 hours per day. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.